Here's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. This SUV's a treat for all your senses and a treat for your sense of adventure. It provides a fulfilling driving experience no matter the destination. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, power fold into floor seat, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive notes the GL Class is stuffed with all bits of digital magic, and many of the systems are standard equipment, including the Air Ride suspension that smooths out all but the most rugged travel. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblinwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99